So here we're going to look at the rotary sensor. I think they call it rotary angle sensor, but essentially it's just a potentiometer. And we use it to show the standard 12-bit analog input, so of which there are 3 on a Pico, or on a Grove Pico. So that's select COM11. We got Grove connector A0. We got it plugged into A0, he says, confidently. Yes, plugged into A0. If I run this now, it will be getting a value. Okay, so that's a value, it's 12 bits, so between 0, zip, ish, and 4,000 ish, 4,096 ish. Okay. And I think you can crank up the speed, or slow down the speed. Ooh, that's fast, that's slow. Very useful for measuring lots of things, of which there's a whole list here of things that can be measured. I've not tested them all because I have limited finance. I've tested one, which is the loudness tester, I think. It's loudness sensor. I might do another video on that if I can find it. But yeah, let's have a look at the code. It's the same. This is going to be repetitive across all the videos I'm doing because I'm assuming somebody's just going to look at one. So bear with. But here, if we run it slow, it's got the normal connectors, GPIO. Derek, who wrote the hardware driver, has kindly abstracted the analog outs, not the GPIOs. They correspond to GPIO pins 26, 27 and 28 for 0, 1 and 2 if you're not using Grove. But here it's just setting it up, the session, and you can see here in the event structure we're just timing out. So every, however what that speed is, every second or whatever, milliseconds it will be, it'll time out and that will go through that event. So it's firing that using the event structure to fire that. The only other thing it's doing then is it's looking for the stop event, so the stop button being pressed and then it exits out. Just a fairly standard lab viewy thing. Here if we put it on slow-mo, you can just see it doing its thing. Boop, boop, just bringing out a value. And that is that. I'll tell you what, I'll twiddle it just so you can see the number change in the slow-mo. Beep. You see that was 12, now it's 2,000 odd. So, yeah, that's it doing its thing.